magsisisi, kailangan tuloy ng tama.
I got a feeling that it's gonna be a good day. Hey, 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 hey. It's gonna be a good day. Hey, 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 hey. It's gonna be a good day. All in my head, trying my best, didn't know what I wanted. Never looked up, never was enough, wishing I could be something. Thunder and rain, losing my way, only made me so higher. Taking my shot.
Happy ako na dumating siya sa amin kasi siya yung laging nagpapasa. Alam mo yung papasok ako, tapos pag uwi ko mawawala yung pagod ko kasi makikita ko.
Is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come.
Yung masaya, blessed kasi nadagdagan kami ng isa. Marami pang parating. Nakatanggal pagod din kapag sa work.
Deep in my heart, touching the stars, holding on oh so tightly. Making my plans, taking a chance, leaving it all behind.
Sana lumakas siya ng mabait at may takot sa Diyos at saka makatapos siya sa pag-aaral. Yun lang.
Chasing that spark out of the dark, running to the final hour.
Making maayos, good health, saka itakot sa Diyos.
The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come.
Happy christening, Gianna!
Happy christening!
Happy christening, Gianna! Happy christening!
We can get this started. We can get this started. Wake up now. Wake up. We can get this started. We can get this.
Thank you kasi dumating ka sa buhay namin. Sobrang gandang blessings nang ibinigay sa amin ni God. Kasi ngayon, dati dalawa kami, ngayon tatlo na kami.
Best is yet to come.